Good morning, class 8th. Our today's topic is land. So I hope that you go through with the PPT and the video also. Today we start this chapter with land. Land is the most important resource. Now this is the topic of our chapter, land. Land is among the most important natural resource. What do we mean by natural resource? Anything which directly obtained from nature is known as natural resource. It covers only about 30% of the total geographical area of the Earth's surface, and the part of small percentage are not habitable. That 30% area we used. The uneven distribution of population in the different part of the world is mainly due to the varied characteristics of land and climate. Now, this is the important topic, that uneven distribution. The people, they want to live or prefer to live in plain area instead of hilly region or the coastal region. There are two goals. The life was very typical in these areas, in coastal regions and in hilly regions. If I request you that you should go and live in Jaisalmer during the summer season, you accepted this one or not? No. Why? Because the climatic condition is not at all good. So the uneven distribution is based on characteristics of land and climate. The topography, steep slopes and mountains. And also the mountainous regions, people doesn't like to stay for a longer time, only for amusement or entertainment they move over there. Low lying, sustainability of water lagging, desert area, thick forested area are normally sparse populated or uninhabited. In these areas the population ratio is less. Plains and river valleys offer suitable land for agriculture, hence there are the densely populated area of the world. For example, northern plain of India is densely populated. Why? Because it is suitable for the agriculture and other activities also. So land is the most important resource, and the population varied from one place to another place. It depends on the characteristics of land and climate. Land use. Land is used for different purposes such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads, setting up of industries. Now, these are the common use of land. Land can be divided on the basis of private and the community land. Private land is owned by individuals. For example, what is your private property? Your notebook is your private property. Your book is your private property. Your pen is your private property. At the same time, the private property which is individuals. Community land is owned by community for common use, for like collection of fodder, fruits, nuts and medical herbs. Okay, community land. Understood? Private means one's own, community means for everyone. For example, community resource, public park is a community resource. People's demand is growing every day, but availability of land is limited. Yes, we cannot generate the land. People started engaging the common lands to build up commercial areas, housing complex in the urban areas, and expand the agricultural land in rural areas. In short, we are generating the forest of concrete. Land degradation, landslide, soil erosion, deforestation, and the major threat of environment because the expansion of agriculture and constructional activities. Both the things, we required agriculture expansion to feed the population, at the same time constitutional constructional activity for new opportunities for the public or the population. Now these are the 4 uses of land. This is the best time in village. This is the great, everyone have the enough land and living area. Now some modernity, cities, metropolitan cities. This condition is liked in village, native village or connected with the cities, perfect city, metropolitan city. Conservation of land resource, growing population and their growing demand to a large scale, destruction of forests created a fear of losing natural resource. Therefore, the peasants' rate of degradation of land resource must be checked. Afforestation, land reclamation, regulating use of chemical pesticides, fertilizers, and check on overgrazing are some of the common methods used to conserve the land, which we previously discussed. Landslide, student, this is the most dangerous thing. It was due to the earthquake, flood, volcanoes, spell of rainfall can cause heavy landslide. We are having the example right now that the Rishi Ganga project, the dam, there was a landslide and massive killing of the people within second in Uttarakhand. First of all, we have to mapping the hazard, construction, reconstruction wall to stop land from slipping, increase the vegetation cover to effective way to harass landslide. So these are the measures we have to take care. Okay. So this was the topic, land. I'm sending the notes also in your classwork WhatsApp group. So just go through with these things, definitions, and the importance of land. Land is the most important resource, students. Without land, we cannot imagine the buildings, roads, construction sites, agriculture, and without agriculture, no food, nothing. Without food, can you live? No one can live. Okay, students. So go through with all these points. And if you have doubt, ask me in Zoom class. Thank you.